If you want to go ahead and make a plan, then what happens is that in Microsoft Qwen, you can actually go around onto more and you can see that make a plan is a mode right here. So you can see that it says help me with a plan to, let's say for example 2, it also gave the suggestion, but you can simply go ahead and it starts a prompt for you. So let's say for example, I'm going to say plan a 1 week timeline for a web development project for a school. So if I were to go ahead and type that in, then what it simply does is it goes ahead and gives me a 1 week timeline right here. So it says this is a week long web development timeline. So there's day 1, planning and research. There's day 2, which is design and UI mockups. Day 3 is front end development. Day 4 is front end development. Day 5 is backend, day 6 is testing and feedback, and day 7 is finally final touches and delivery. And that is how you can actually go ahead and make out a plan as you like inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.